Press the power button to turn the fan on or off. If you want to adjust how strong the airflow is, use this fan speed button. Press once to increase the fan speed, with a maximum of 6 levels. Long press the fan speed button to turn on or off the child lock function. When the function is activated, the screen displays the letter L. If you want to switch the fan's working modes, press this mode button to toggle between normal, natural, sleep, and auto modes. If you want to change the direction the airflow blows, press this oscillation button to adjust the fan's swing direction. If you want to set a shutdown timer for the fan, press this timer button to choose your desired time 0 to 9 hours.